by. What is up, everybody? Res M3 back here again. Oh god, my mic fell off. See if we can connect this back on. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up. But alright, we got the mic back on. It had fallen off. But Res M3 back here again. As you can see, we're in a new storage unit here. Gotta get some 2x4s for this, but because the little drop, you probably heard that in the first clip. But we're going to Elite Tuner today, so excited for that. Gonna watch my buddy Barry drift his 180. Maybe if we're lucky, he'll give us a ride along. But that's where we're headed to first. But first, we gotta be there before 2:30. It's 1:30. I don't know how far we are, but I need to wash this car desperately because it is a little dirty in the front from the bug exterminating company that it sometimes thinks it works for. But hopefully we have a good time out there. But let's go ahead and lock up the storage unit and then head over there. What is up, everybody? So we're just making it now to Rockford Speedway. Could not wash the car. Sorry it's so dark. I'll probably take off the polarizer, but it is. He had to do it. He had to do it. VQ power right there. But just parking now, and then we'll catch you up when we're inside. Barry's already inside doing some warm-up laps because he's doing the drifting portion. But can't wait. It's gonna be a fun time. So even though we're here, we're kind of getting rained on. The show's still going. However, I can't bring the camera out if it's pouring because it's like coming in bursts. But might have a lot of GoPro footage this time, just so, since the GoPro is waterproof anyways, or at least up to a little bit, you know. So we're gonna get the GoPro out. We're gonna do a little bit of walking around with the GoPro. The quality might not be as good, but I still want to get to show you guys the Elite Tuner show and a ride along with Barry. So let's go ahead and get out there.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call 911.
What's up, everybody? We have a really cool M5 here that you probably saw right before this, but right here is the owner. So tell us a little bit about yourself, your name, what car you're driving, and everything like that.
Absolutely. What's up, guys? So my name is Mitch, and I actually reside in Wisconsin, but I've got a 2014 F10 M5, and pretty much everything that can be done to this car without taking the motor out and going to forged interiors has been done to it. So we've got catless downpipes done to it, aftermarket intakes, of course, upgraded intercooler intercoolers. We've got the pure Stage 2 hybrid turbos done to it. We've also got a Kropovic titanium exhaust. On top of that, we've got DME Stage 3 tuning done to it as well. We've got the JB4 on the back end flash over here, and a couple other little carbon fiber bits as you're going to see. Some carbon fiber engine cover, tons of carbon fiber on the outside and the inside, all by Dinman. So Canon and Dinman CF does an amazing job. And then I've also got a really cool kind of custom interior. I'll show you guys. We got all of this Alcantara. It's all emblazoned with my bespoke M over here. So my guy Ryan Nettleson at Exact Art out in Pennsylvania did all that for me. So all the centerpieces. He even actually did up here above. I don't know if you can see it or not. You can actually check out how the airbag warning signs are actually etched right into the headliner.
That's cool.
So yeah, man,
hope they can see it.
So yeah, just a couple little bits here and there, but that's pretty much what I got done to it. Right now, we had it on the dyno a little while back, and it puts on about 700 at the wheels and about 720 foot-pounds of torque, and we're hoping to bring that number up a little bit. So heading into the dyno later on this next week. So I hope we're good things.
Looking forward to seeing that. This is a really nice car.
Thank you, man.
I'm sure everybody agrees, but thank you so much for giving us.
You're very welcome, man. Thank you very much.
Appreciate
it, brother. Yeah, have a great day.
Really clean M5. Really clean M5. Will you have an Instagram or anything like that?
I do, yeah. Instagram is bespoke, but the S is a 5, so it's BE5POKE_M. So,
all right.
Thank you guys.
Yep, give them a follow, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Really clean car. Everybody, we're here with Barry. You guys met him before, but he's just gonna tell you a little bit about himself and what we're doing today.
So my name is Barry. We're out here at Rockford Speedway doing a little bit of dancing, a little bit of drifting. The track conditions are really rough today. The track was already very unpredictable. With rain added to the mix now, it's even worse, but it's still pretty fun, so stay tuned.
Yeah, you can get some slides in, but yeah, it's really wet out here. But Barry, otherwise known as Eddie Murphy's son in Japan, so let's go slide this bitch. That was a savage run though. Until they went wrong.
Sounds like second gear.
How was it?
Another casualty. Savage run. My most savage run of the day. And my car just said nope. Blew my transmission to smithereens. So second gear is done. I'm gonna have to replace the trans or possibly rebuild it. But
coming back stronger though. Coming back stronger. Yep. Always. Alright, we're gonna catch the rest of the event, but that was pretty dope, Completed by Joby Crespo, minutes 14 and a half. Taking it up to a high finish line. Got it, travel 3 cars from the alley. Let's see what happens. Giovanni leading a very strong line as he goes to the outer transition. He's taking it up high on the bank. One me out of spin truck, gonna catch him on the back end. 4 cars drained right here at Super Nice Music Festival Motorsports. Giovanni Crespo holding it down as he goes to the main section. That beautiful last 14 and a half. Taking a great angle as he comes to the main section. The ride along we just saw, this is my man right here. You want to tell the people what your name is and what car you're driving here?
Yeah, so name's Dexter. It's my 300ZX, single turbo, AG30 ET. No, it's just a fun little track day toy. Does its thing. Not really getting into the whole drifting thing, but like autocross, track day, stuff like that. That's all.
Cold beer, get your beer here. Ice cold beer.
Drive, super
If you got an ice
sticky.
cold beer, put
Yeah,
it
I
there.
felt
Very
it,
grounded on the very collected on the ground. I've been kind of
There you go, you got the beer in the
I've been
front
racing
row.
this car for about 2
Like
years
that.
now.
2 years?
Yeah, it's a decent little runner. No major
Concession
issues.
stands are open.
nothing like
Make sure
that.
you get your pizza.
Something fun to drive.
burgers.
Not the most exciting thing to watch, but
Hey, yeah, it is exciting. It's just different kind. It's just
They got
different
funnel
kind.
cake skins.
Don't get brainwashed, everybody. Drifting's fun, but autocross and track driving, real track driving is still fun too.
Make sure to run by all of our
my
sponsors.
goal
Our big
eventually is to get
sponsor
this
right now
car,
is
like, in the top
TTV
200
Garage. They got a
time
merchandise
attack.
booth where they're selling
Time,
hats,
but I
decals,
need to be a little bit more
backpacks,
powerful
lanyards,
than-
t-shirts.
But really right now, just focus
You name
on
it, they
grip,
got it.
making sure that it stays steady. And I mean, as you saw,
Yeah.
taking a 22-degree bank. With
He's figured it out,
no
folks. He's
movement
not
whatsoever
pushing
on
no
the car.
more.
It was solid,
stuck
solid.
to the ground. Yeah, it's like a little go-kart.
But
Yeah.
thank you again for the ride. Appreciate it.
Chase drone up in the air.
Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out. We're out of here.